Go.
I hope you got seashells stuck in your feet.
Yep.
They just make them all become sand.
The house.
Mommy, look at this one. Seashells at the seashore shore. It's the beach.
Seashells.
Seashells at the seashore.
They should call it seashore, not seashell.
Yeah, cold.
Finding big shells.
Wow. Nice. How many you got?
Only got one.
One?
This big one.
Okay.
I got.
There's a big one right here.
I don't know the logic behind it.
Whoa, that's a snail.
I got 8.
Okay.
Where?
Where? Wow, this is like snail.
Shane found a fossil.
Are you sure this
Yeah,
is the inside
she
of it?
found a fossil.
Mommy, look it. I thought even better
Oh, she's going. You found one
You know
too.
what? They're gonna
Lucy.
call me the rock skipper.
Yeah, there's a lot of small
Wow.
ones.
Make sure there's no feature in there. We
Watch
don't
this, guys.
Okay, go. One. Only one. Wow, look like a snail too. Yeah, in the ocean.
I am you.
That's beautiful.
do that, okay? It's gonna get all over people.
Whoa, look how stone is big. Look at this stone I found. I got a real fossil.
Oh, let me see.
Probably a piece of glass.
Yeah.
After it gets done, I'm gonna give you a tissue to wrap it in and put it
Great.
away, and then we gotta go wash our hands.
I got 4.
Go.
All right, watch this.
1, 2.
Oh yeah, they call me professional.
Can't solve anything is inside
The funny thing,
Mom, you want to see my shells?
right here. Oh yeah, we're W.
Yeah, you double active.
I'm keeping this.
Ink is glittering.
My airplane went so far.
Throw it there.
But it's so still literally close to the water.
We're gonna go to the bathroom over there to wash your hands.
Oh, the sun's pretty nice. Uh-oh. Yes.
Why?
Because it's gonna fall apart. Anytime you walk on it, it feels like it's gonna fall apart.
Oh, it's muddy. I know you're not jump.
But yeah, why do you do that as if you're like look like you're about to fall?
Why are you sitting there, girl?
Look at all the mud.
Mommy, I found
Wait,
a
don't touch. No. No more. You wash your hands already. No more. You wash your hands already.
I know.
I have no place to put it anymore.
I know. What, did you see my
I
seashell?
saw one. It's a video. I swear I have to take it.
How many good ones here? As well.
Because I summoned them.
Touch them.
Dang, how did I-
They touched it.
Okay, good watching.
We're here to rock.
Okay.
Go.
Stop.
You are so funny.
You, Daddy, like to keep it. You.
I'm the parkour. Who's parkouring?
What do you say? Oh, he said beautiful lake.
I never thought I would see something as traumatic as that.
Dude, welcome to being old country. No?
And then I saw it slowly drop out of her nose.
She just didn't now throw at it yet.
Almost there. I like.
You're tired already? We're gonna let broken back.
Should we grab it? Quack, 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 quack. I'm parkouring. No, I'm not parkouring. Quack, 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 quack.
Okay, we're gonna go first.
Having fun, buddy?
Yeah. Oh! What?
That's a bus.
Yeah. Whoa!
That is no bus. That is a truck.
Not a boat. That's a spaceship.
That's from the poop factory.
Oh yeah.